Ever notice how pool cleaning eats up your weekend when all you want is a calm swim? I have talked with many pool owners across the United States, and the story is the same. Leaves show up fast, dust settles daily. A strong cordless robotic pool cleaner can change that. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. Number 5. Best Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum, RERIOU SAT20 Pro. I was curious how this best cordless robotic pool vacuum would work in real use. I read many stories from pool owners who wanted less time cleaning. When I looked at this one, I noticed the strong traction drive right away. The Caterpillar track design is solid, and it grips uneven surfaces with ease. I think this matters when your pool has drains, steps, or corners. The unit moves in a calm pattern and rarely slips. It climbs walls and handles slopes well. I also like that you do not need extra tools to set it up. Many people in the United States told me they hate complicated startup. This offers a simple plug-and-play feel. The runtime is around 150 minutes, which might feel short for very large pools. Still, for most average size yards, it cleans well. The only area to improve could be a stronger filter for tiny debris like fine sand. Number 4. iGarden Pool Cleaner K36 2025 Upgrade. When I first checked out the iGarden Pool Cleaner K36, I was struck by its bold design and long cleaning time. This feels like a smart machine that keeps working longer than many others. The extended cleaning time helps when your pool collects heavy debris. I know many people in warm parts of the United States deal with leaves and pollen all year. A longer runtime means fewer rounds of cleaning for them. The navigation system feels thoughtful and not random. I like the touchscreen because it helps plan cleaning easily. It also has a self-parking feature, which saves time and storage. The unit moves calmly and seems to remember where it has been. It's strong with a turbine-grade impeller and 3 brushless motors. This means it handles heavy dirt and debris without feeling strained. One thing to consider is that it costs more than basic models. If you want powerful, long-lasting clean with smart tech, this makes sense. For lighter pools, you may not need all the extra runtime or features. Number 3. Robotic Pool Cleaner 180-watt brushless motor, RERIOU SAT30. This cordless robotic pool cleaner from RERIOU feels like a serious piece of equipment. I noticed the first thing was how well it handles different surfaces. I have heard from pool owners in multiple states that wall and waterline cleaning is a real need year-round. This model hits both spots with a high suction strength that feels powerful for its size. The large filter basket also surprised me. It captures fine sand and bigger leaves without clogging fast. The unit cleans floors, walls, and waterline with calm efficiency. I also like that it's easy to use right out of the box. The setup feels clear and does not require much time. The navigation is sensible and avoids jerky movement. I found it comforting that this robotic cleaner does not get stuck on gentle slopes or shallow steps. Many cordless designs struggle on uneven ground, but this one stays balanced. A slight downside is that it feels a bit big to store if your space is tight. Still, for pool owners who want thorough cleaning without fuss, this checks most boxes. Number 2. Dolphin Nautilus CC Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The best Dolphin Nautilus CC is one of the most talked about robotic cleaners, and I see why. I spoke with many owners who said they trust its wall climbing and scrubbing power. The unit climbs with purpose and cleans with consistency. One great point is the wall scrubbing power that makes water clear faster. I also like how the top-load filter access feels easy. Pulling out the filter to clean it does not feel like a chore. This matters because regular filter cleaning keeps your pool clear. The Dolphin Nautilus CC does not clean the waterline, but it shines at floor and wall cleaning. Many owners in the United States find this perfect when their waterline does not gather heavy dirt. The design also feels reliable and not fragile. The build looks strong and the plastic feels durable. The brand has a long reputation, so you know replacements and support are easier to find. One thing to consider is its price compared to basic units. If you want trusted performance that gets the job done, this is a solid choice. Number 1. Botlux Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner PC10. The best pool vacuum for in-ground pools from Botlux impressed me more than I expected. For many pool owners I know, a balance of power and ease matters most. This robotic cleaner feels like it hits that balance well. Right away, I noticed the high suction output that helps pull sand, debris, and leaves into the filter quickly. This makes water look clearer after every clean. The cordless design also stands out because it gives freedom to move around without cords in the way. The unit uses smart navigation that feels calm and thorough. It doesn't rush or miss corners. I like that it works on floor, walls, and waterline with even effort. This means you can trust it to handle the whole pool without extra help. The setup feels simple, and many users in the United States tell me they appreciate that. You don't need extra gear or long manuals to start cleaning. One area it could improve is a stronger brush system for very heavy debris. Still, for most families, this feels like a top fit and reliable cleaner. Final verdict. If you want the best overall cordless robotic pool cleaner, the Botlux PC-10-1 is my top pick. It offers strong cleaning, easy use, and fair pricing. For those who want a trusted long-term brand, the Dolphin Nautilus CC remains a solid second choice, especially for regular wall care. Both fit common pool needs across the United States. Check the description link for current prices and full details before you decide.